Hey everybody, this is David again. We're about to do the Hoover Dam tour. We're about to go in about 30 minutes. We're just outside checking out the scenery right now. I'll see you inside in just a little bit. This is one of the water diversion tunnels that lead to the power generators.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Nevada Power Plant, one of two power plants that we have here at Hoover Dam with generators in them. Here in the Nevada plant we have 8 generators, but across the river on the Arizona side there are 9 generators over there for a grand total of 17 large generators. Now obviously the generators are these large machines here in a row at 650 feet all the way to the end and 8 stories tall. That generator that you're looking at is actually 7 stories tall, but you can't see it all. Most of the generator is below the floor. Going down the center of each one is a 65-foot long spinning steel shaft. Attached to the bottom of that spinning shaft is the turbine runner, which is basically just a horizontal water wheel. The function of that water wheel at the bottom is to help to convert all that kinetic energy of the moving water that was just traveling beneath your feet into electrical energy for transmission. By the time that water hits that water wheel through the pipe, 8 miles an hour. That's what's turning the shaft, which is now turning the rotor at the top of the generator. The rotor's located in that large red part that you're looking at, and surrounding that rotor are 44-ton spinning electromagnets. They're spinning past copper coils called stators. That's what excites the electrons, and folks, that's what gives us our electricity.
Here we are walking further into the Hoover Dam interior to the air vents. One of the things you notice as you're walking in here is the 1930s decor. As you can tell that the Hoover Dam was built in the early 1930s. Now we're walking down the ventilation shaft to take a look outside of the Hoover Dam itself. We're about halfway down inside the dam itself. Try to get a view with the camera here so you can see how far down we are into the Hoover Dam itself.
Degree angle.
What we're about to see here is a super steep staircase so that engineers can inspect the Hoover Dam.
No, we're never going to thank God. You still get some the power plant for you to see some of the water. But they put drains all even behind the wall of trying to. Oh yeah, let's walk those steps.
There you go, Donnie. You just fit to walk all the way down there.
How did they seal the dam to the rock?
They did not seal it. It's not attached and it's not water attached to it. And I'll tell you all that why. They wanted the dam to be a show place. So that because it was one of the biggest things they ever did at the time. The original plan for the dam was a little gaudy. I like these little things here. So I'm glad they toned it down. They actually had to tell people like calm it down. It was just way too much. You know, they wanted it to, you know, they were taken away from the men's accomplishments. So let's go outside. I want to show you where the World War II bunker is. I want to show you where the old track. Is that rain? Wow. That's weird. Sorry. Okay, let me undo this chain here for you. Yeah, just go off the right. right, I'll show you a couple of things and then send you on your way. Yeah, just go off to your right. Then I'll show you where to go to the state line.
One of the fascinating things they did tell us is that the Hoover Dam is designed to last 2,000 years and is 726 feet tall. Right here we're looking at the hydroelectric intake towers for the Hoover Dam. And this includes our tour of the Hoover Dam. Thanks for watching.